Alright guys, so welcome to the channel. This is part 2. If you haven't checked it out, check out the first part. I mainly focus on the exterior of this pre-sale service that I'm doing on this RV. So I did an exterior wash, I did a decon, I did tires and trim, I did an engine bay cleaning. I also applied a sealant just to enhance that gloss and protect it for the new owner. So in this video, what I'm going to do is focus on the interior. And what we're going to be doing is cleaning this interior of the RV from front to back. And what I'm going to do is focus on some carpet cleaning, some seat cleaning. There are some stains that the customer was worried about, so we'll address those. We'll get this carpet cleaned up. There's a carpet on the floor here. The seats will get cleaned up in the cockpit. We'll get the full driver and passenger cockpit area cleaned up. Then move on to the kitchen area where we'll clean the stove, the microwave, the sink, the countertops, the fridge. We'll move down further into the bathroom. We'll clean the bathroom, sink, toilet, shower. Everything will get touched. Everything will get cleaned. There's a small area on the tile that the customer expressed some interest in, maybe trying to see if we can get rid of some of the film or dirt that's on there. So we're going to address that. And then we'll move on to the bedroom area where we'll do a sweep, a wipe down of all the surfaces, and then work our way back forward, sweeping and mopping and getting everything kind of tied in and dialed in for this sale. So I'll bring you in for a majority of the process. There are some areas that are a little tighter, so I may not be able to get the tripod and everything in there the way I would like to. I'm also on a little bit of a time constraint, but I will try my best to show you a few little clips of the work that I'm doing and how I'm doing each of those areas, so you have an idea of my process. If you are a potential customer and this is a service you're interested in, I hope that this video gives you all the information you're looking for. I will also share the results at the end so you can see what kind of results you could expect with this service. And if you are a professional detailer or you've detailed RVs in the past or you do them currently, please make sure to leave comments. I am a student of my field, so I would love it to learn some new things from other people. Everyone has different ways of doing things, and I would love to know how you do it, if it's any different than how I'm doing it. So stay tuned, and let's get to work. All right, let's go over products and tools and equipment. So steam cleaner, of course, with rinseless and a mini bio bomb. Then next up is Terminator. This is step 1 of my process when it comes to cleaning carpets and rugs. Step 2 is Carpet Bomber, and I'm using that 4-to-1, both P&S products that work really well. I pair that up with my 90-degree drill and drill brush, and that works really well together with the steamer. My next product is my interior cleaner. As you guys know, Typhon 8-to-1, and the sprayer is the only interior cleaner I use. And of course, I use it with every interior RV detail. Up with a scrub daddy for sinks and countertops and stuff for tub and stains. Next up is a glass cleaner. Sprayway is my favorite, and if you haven't tried it, definitely try it. And next up is the little Swiffer dust tool, and I use that to kind of clean up the countertops. After that, I bring in a mop, and I use this Swiffer Power Mop that has like a microfiber type bottom together with the broom. And I usually bring these both with me on every interior RV detail. The power mop and the broom kind of go hand in hand because you can't always guarantee that the customer will have it on site. So you have to make sure that you bring it with you. All right, so let's go into the detail. Let's get it started.